Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really exciting, well at least for me. Today's video is going to be a just collection of things that I've got at Marshalls or TJ Maxx, whether it is beauty related or not, although a majority of it is beauty related. I've talked about this in my Instagram and pretty much a lot of my other videos as well, how much awesome things there are at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for you guys to find if you're on a budget, or if you're just looking for that great deal, or if you just love TJ Maxx and Marshalls and shopping, which I love all of those things and I am all of those things. Marshalls was nice enough to send me some gift cards recently, so I did go in yesterday to see what I could find at my local Marshalls, and I found some crazy things. They're like, it was so awesome. Like my Marshalls isn't the best selection wise all the time. I feel like I really have to go the day that they get in new things, because I feel like it's gone like that. Which that's the case sometimes. But yesterday was Friday. I went after work and they had so many things. I had a hard time picking what I wanted, but I just wanted to share those with you and some of my other crazy finds that I've got, which, looking around my room and looking around my house in general, I get a lot of things from there. So yeah, so let's just get started. We'll start with what I got yesterday. So yesterday my Marshalls had just stuff that I see all the time at Sephora and Ulta, so I was blown away. They had this brand here, which is called Too Cool for School. You see this at Sephora mainly, but I know that Ulta just started carrying it online, and pretty soon I think it's going to be in some of the stores as well. This is the Egg Mousse Soap Facial Cleanser. I paid $7.99 for it. They regularly go for like $12 to $20 depending on what you're getting. But yes, so $7.99. Yes, I have used it. It felt so awesome. The pump kind of scared me because I will show you. It's like, I don't know, it's like a mousse and it comes out fluffy. I don't want to do it because I don't want to waste it, but they had this, and they also had like a makeup remover. I just got the face wash because I like trying out new face washes. I'm always looking for things like that. So that was my first awesome find, whatever. They also had these Kat Von D Studded Kiss lipsticks. Now I love these. I also got these two both at Marshalls. These retail for, I want to say, closer to $20. These were all $7.99 each. I picked up Vampira, which is my favorite liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. I also picked up Motorhead, which is a little bit darker, more of a berry. And then yesterday I picked up, let's see what this is, Cathedral, which is a pretty more dusty rose. So pretty. I love this formula. It's so creamy. It goes on so nice. So yeah, they had a bunch. Now these are the only 3 colors I saw. They had Poe, which was like a dark blue. You know, I'm not about that dark blue life. And they also had a bright pink one. I don't remember what the name of that one was. Yesterday they also had a lot of Lorac, which I see some Lorac usually. I don't think I really own anything from them. But they had this, and I thought it was so pretty. This is the Lorac Tantalizer Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. Look at this packaging. Like, it's so pretty. It's a good size too. But this is the inside of it here. It has a really pretty matte bronzer and a really pretty subtle highlight. Yes, I have already used it. I just kept it in the box to show you guys. This was $7.99. Again, I'm pretty sure this is like $20 when it was first released. Marshalls and TJ Maxx, what I've noticed is they get a lot of the items that are being discontinued and pushed out of like Ulta and Sephora, or off the manufacturer's or brand's website, and they send them to Marshalls and TJ Maxx, sometimes even Ross, though very rarely. But I don't care if it's being discontinued. If it's a good product, I need it. Anyway, so I got that. So nice. I also picked up an Adidas hat. I like to wear hats when I work out, because then I find that when I don't wear hats, I'm just like always worried about like what my hair is doing instead of focusing on the workout itself. I got a lot of hats from TJ Maxx. This one is an all black, which I really like. I also have a olive green one. I have a black with the pink. They have them all the time. They're like $20 to $30 in store. This one was only $9.99. And then what my Marshalls had that tripped me out yesterday, they had so many Marc Jacobs things. They had a lot of their lipsticks. They had these really chubby like lip crayons. They also had a little face kit, but that someone had took it out and left the box, and so you know that's also an unfortunate thing that happens sometimes at those stores. People, you're already getting a deal. Why you gotta take it or ruin it? Whatever. But I picked up this, and I don't even know how much this retails for. I don't own anything Marc Jacobs because it is expensive, girl. Oh, but I had to have it because $8.99 for something that I didn't think that I would ever find at a TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And look at how pretty this color is. So nice, just up my alley. Yes, I do like dark lipsticks, guys. Also, the packaging, like this is so heavy, and I believe it has like a little magnet because it kind of just snaps closed, which is really nice. Again, $8.99. They had a couple other colors, but this was the only one that I really wanted. Also yesterday they had a lot of MAC yesterday, which I had never seen before. This is actually the first time I've ever seen any MAC products there. They had brow kits, which were blonde, so I couldn't get those. And they also had a lot of lip liners. I'm not really a lip liner person. I don't have the patience for it. My lipstick would probably look so much nicer and last longer if I used it, but I don't have the patience for it, guys. And then not makeup related, I did get this. This is by BPI, which is a supplement brand. I've been wanting to try it, but I didn't want to get it because it was like $28 on Amazon. But they had it for $19.99. It's a coffee creamer with a fat burner. I love things like this, and I love coffee, so I had to try it. I tried it this morning. Really liked it, by the way. This is the French vanilla latte flavor. You just add it to your coffee. So good. So good. So I had that. They also had protein by this brand, which I was surprised to see. I should have got it. I regret it now. I regret it. And now, so that's all that I got yesterday. I also got some coffee. They have like the Dunkin' Donut K-Cup packs. I get those. I got one of those. And I think that's all I got yesterday. So now I'm just going to share with you guys things that I've gotten over time, my favorite things that I use all of the time, and I probably mentioned already before. I have this on my vanity, little, it says Lady Boss. They always have them. They say different cute things. I got this frame, which I keep one of my favorite pictures in. Yes, so pretty. So inexpensive. Everything inexpensive, guys. All of the like acrylic, not really acrylic, things that I keep for my vanity. This is what I keep my palettes in. I got that at a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls. This, which is one of my newer buys, I keep all my eyeshadow brushes and my highlighter brushes in here. I love this thing. Look at it. It swivels. This was $9.99 at a Marshalls, and I had seen a bunch of them, and I was like, no, I don't need it. But I love it. I've been able to get rid of the little separate cups that I had for my brushes, and I just have everything here. There's 4 different compartments, so I have, crease brushes, smaller detail brushes, concealers, and then highlighters. And it's just one of the nicest things I've ever bought. I'm obsessed with it. I also got this little carrier from Marshalls, which I keep a lot of my brow products in, or my eyeshadow primers, things like that. My mother was very nice enough to find me one of these because I have lots of lipsticks, as you can see. All my ColourPop, which is still my favorite, by the way. Bomb. 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 And then I also I've gotten this. This is a brand, I've never heard of this brand, but I see it a lot at Marshalls and TJ Maxx. This is called Jordan Skinny Syrups or whatever. Yeah, that's the brand. So I got this to put in the coffee. This is the sugar-free caramel pecan. I think it's supposed to be better with iced coffee, because in warm coffee, I don't think it tastes the best. But this was $3 at Marshalls, and it is a whipped topping to put on your coffee. It is marshmallow flavor, 0 calories, 0 sugars. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know how I lived without it. They have so many different flavors, you guys. I think there's a caramel one, French vanilla, a regular creamer one. This is marshmallow. I think there's a donut one too, which I'm still looking for. I'm gonna find it. But obsessed. I've also get a lot of my shoes from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I have some Nikes, which I'm obsessed with. I have 2 different ones here. I have that one and also this pretty teal color with a little suede. These were $39.99. $39.99 and $49.99, I want to say. Which, as you guys know, it's like $50 cheaper than anywhere else ever that I buy shoes. A majority of my workout clothes are from Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I just really love, I think I'm wearing it now. I also use their leggings a lot. Forgot the name of this brand, but it's at Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and I pretty much only buy their leggings because they are the best. And yeah, and just looking around my room, you guys know if you watched my beauty room tour, which I will put at the end of this video, all of my artwork and even my benches, the bench I have in here, some of the pillows, I've gotten so many things from there. And it's just a great way to score something that's really nice that you don't have to pay $1 billion for it. Because let's be honest, not all of us can afford that. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't be able to have something that you're proud of and that you're happy with. So that's why you always catch me there all the time, every day. Okay, not every day. Multiple times a week, though, at least. My mom and my sister are the same way. We love going. We got some problems. I also got, which you guys know I love, my little acrylic, what are these, compartments for all my blushes, bronzers, highlighters. These are my highlighters. They're hard to find, but you can find them. They cycle out, I swear, because sometimes I see like those lipstick ones. I see them all the time, and then the moment that I want one, they're gone, and then they cycle in something else for forever. If you guys really like planning, they have so many nice planners there. Stickers for your planners, decorations, all these things that you see everywhere. And I get a lot of vitamins from there as well. They have big brands there, you just have to watch out. I get shampoos, conditioners, perfumes. It's crazy, it's endless. Just because it's not like newly released or in season, I think is what they call it, it doesn't mean it's still not great. So yeah, that is my Marshalls haul overall. And oh, I got this sweater from Marshalls too. I love this sweater. This is like one of my favorite cardigans right now. It's so comfy and warm. Ugh, ignore my nails. Ooh. I'm trying to grow them out, guys. It's gonna be a struggle. Although I will say it is easier to do my makeup with no claws. I'm just like la la la. I can put eye cream on. I can put my lashes on. So easy. Pros and cons. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below of any crazy Marshalls finds that you've found, or TJ Maxx. I love to see those, because then you know I gotta go on the hunt. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.
Hold up.